What's going on, everyone? Reese here, aka Noob Soda, coming at you with another trading recap. Today I'm going to be going over August the 23rd's trades, and as you can see by the bottom right of my corner, it's 9/26 September, and so bear with me here. I'm going over these trades about a month back. Some I have recorded, this one I didn't, so I did write it out, and I'm just going to kind of go over with that briefly. So I missed some good trades in the morning. I just wasn't comfortable sinking my teeth into. I feel like I've honestly grown since then, and probably would have taken this really good short off the 41.53 here. But for some reason, I just loved that long side, and we had a 60-minute gap fill PCH here from August the 9th that hadn't been filled. So I was waiting for a 41.26 to line up with the time, at least on the 5-minute. I also wasn't very comfortable taking 60 minutes time exempt. I still tried to get them to line up on the 5-minute. And looking back, this was actually a really, really good trade. Unfortunately, didn't work, but had quite a few factors in my favor. First one being that 41.26 hourly PCH. The next one being a 5-minute Black Magic. And then we had open print right there too at 41.33. Black Magic here is 41.32.74, and I took this trade right at about noon, so about this candle here, 12:05, and I took it right at 12 on the dot, about 3 seconds in. I believe it opened right at the level, and I was like, all right, just get me in. Maybe took it a tad bit early. It's hard to tell, especially as this much time has passed, and I'm looking at it now. But you could see it pretty much was going to stop me out always. So took the entry there off the 5-minute Black Magic, 41.26 hourly PCH, open print, 1, 2, 3 reversal on the 30-minute as well. And kind of not really a 1, 2, 3. It looks like it in hindsight, but I was getting long here. So this is absolutely not a 1, 2, 3. Looks like it now, but if you look at this wick, it's way too long to be a good 1, 2, 3 reversal setup on the 60-minute chart. So just took the trade, and I ended up getting stopped out about 17 minutes in. So right here, this big old dump candle stopped me out. 1 cent slippage, not bad at all for what was seemingly a pretty quick dump, and that's the benefit of working with SPY option SPY. They're very liquid, and working with a good broker like TradeStation, they don't slip very often, if at all. I think the worst slippage I've had was maybe like 3-4 cents, if that, and that was during like very, very high volatility. But I'm just looking back at some of my notes, and I noted it looked sketchy, but I gave it a chance to work. Told myself that I'm seeing it out to stop or target. It looked like my target would have been 4,141, so 41, and then we had the 40 there at the 30-minute PCL, so was targeting 40. Got in around 32. It was only looking for a measly 8 points, and it just never gave it to me. I still think in hindsight it was a solid trade, and I accepted the risk at the time, and I had been more upset if I was waiting for that all day and then didn't take it. So happy took the trade as I saw it, and it just didn't work out, and I'm completely okay with that. I'd rather get in the trade and get stopped out than miss a setup that I have clearly established a trade plan around, and that sets up within my parameters, and sometimes it just doesn't work, and that's the reality of this business. So I know this was kind of short, and there was only one trade today, but hopefully you got something out of it, and if not, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.